Will uninstalling WhatsApp result in losing all previous message history?
Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a question that many of us have wondered about at some point. Will uninstalling WhatsApp result in losing all your previous message history? This is a vital question to consider, especially if you're planning to uninstall the app, but are worried about losing all your chats and messages.
What happens when you uninstall WhatsApp?
When you uninstall WhatsApp, the app is removed from your device, but it's important to understand what happens with your data. Uninstalling the app does not delete the messages stored on your device immediately. They are retained in your phone's memory for a short while. But these locally stored messages may be permanently lost if you don't reinstall WhatsApp soon enough or if your device storage gets cleared or overwritten.
How to protect your message history?
The key to safeguarding your messages is backing up your WhatsApp data. WhatsApp provides an option to back up your messages to cloud storage services like Google Drive for Android devices and iCloud for iOS devices. You can configure these backups to happen automatically, for example, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. Once your data is backed up, you can reinstall WhatsApp and restore your message history from the backup, ensuring you won't lose your conversations even if you uninstall the app.
Is there any risk of losing data after backup?
Even after backing up, there are a few points to remember. If you haven't backed up your recent messages before uninstalling the app, those messages won't be included in your backup and hence, will be lost. Also, keep in mind that WhatsApp backups in Google Drive or iCloud are not stored indefinitely. If a backup isn't updated in Google Drive for more than a year, or in iCloud for more than 180 days, it might get automatically removed. Therefore, it's important to regularly back up your WhatsApp chats if you wish to retain them long-term. In conclusion, while uninstalling WhatsApp does put your local message history at risk, it is entirely possible to protect your messages by making good use of the backup features offered by WhatsApp. Remember to perform regular backups to ensure you won't lose your messages, even if you decide to uninstall the app. We hope this video has been helpful and has provided clear insights about what happens to your WhatsApp messages when you uninstall the app. Thanks for watching.